In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you?
What are you doing? You can't even see when she's doing it. Look what she do. Is it something there?
It's too far.
It's not.
Can I be close to
Oh gosh. Are you joking me? Oh sugar. You're supposed to serve it like this. Oh.
tummy anyway. You
Wow.
don't need more food.
I do feel sorry for Charlie.
I know.
I know he does. It's because he's off the lead, is he lucky?
Chicken dinner from the microwave. Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, shit.
That's what you want when you're on holiday.
Absolutely delicious.
Look at that.
It's delicious. You only jealous?